Okay, so now you've got your hot dog book, and we're going to transfer what you've done in your visual diary into your hot dog book. So I'm going to use a pen because it makes me use my mistakes and stops me, it means I can't rub out, so I have to do it faster. All right, here goes my big adventure. This is my front cover. I'm going to make sure that I've got it on the front cover, inside, so just double checking, right, starting here. So then once you've finished, have a look through your fantastic story. My big adventure. There might be something in there that you decide that you would like to adjust or fix up. Put some more colour in. I'm pretty happy with that page. And pretty happy with that one. I think that looks like it's at night and there's a fire, and that's me burning myself on a marshmallow. That looks like I am about to burn myself, so that's good. The only thing I might do is put a little bit more colour and depth in here, but I can do that later. I think it's a bit wishy-washy through there. I can do that. I could put some more colour into my jumper and things too, but otherwise I think it's telling my story, my big adventure. There we are, packing the car, going up the hill, the very steep hill, and then campsite at night, best part, with a fire, marshmallow. So keep that book in your visual diary so I can have a look at it when you get back to school. And don't forget to wash your hands, and I'll see you next time.